Hey guys, welcome back. And in today's video, I'll be reviewing Gusto, which is a well-known payroll service provider that offers a comprehensive suite of features and services that can help businesses of all sizes manage their payroll, benefits, and HR tasks more efficiently and effectively. Now, Gusto offers a range of features and services that can make payroll processing easier and more efficient, including online payroll processing, time tracking, and benefits administration. And so I'll be taking a look at Gusto's key features and services in detail, including how they can help you manage your payroll more effectively so that you'll have a better understanding of how Gusto works, its pricing, what kind of drawbacks you need to know of, my personal experience with Gusto, and whether it's a good fit for your business's payroll needs or not. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now, if at any point you'd like to try Gusto for yourself, you'll find helpful links in the description down below, including a discount code to save you some extra money. Now, Gusto is a popular payroll service provider that was founded in 2011. It's quickly gained a reputation as reliable and user-friendly payroll service that serves a wide range of businesses from small startups to larger enterprises. Gusto's mission is to make payroll, benefits, and HR tasks easier for businesses by offering a simple, intuitive platform that can handle all of these tasks. Gusto is designed to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large corporations. It serves a diverse range of industries, including healthcare, hospitality, technology, and professional services. Whether the business has 1 employee or 1,000 employees, Gusto's platform can be customized to meet their unique needs. I've got a small company, and so far I've been using Gusto for about 2 years, and I've had a great experience using it. Now, one of Gusto's key features is its online payroll processing, which allows you to easily manage your payroll from anywhere with an internet connection. This includes the ability to run payroll on a schedule that works for your business, as well as the option to pay employees via direct deposit or paper checks. Gusto's platform also helps ensure accuracy and compliance with tax laws and regulations, reducing the risk of costly mistakes. And another important feature of Gusto is its time tracking capabilities. You can track your employees' hours using Gusto's online tracking tool, which integrates seamlessly with their payroll system. This makes it easy to ensure that employees are accurately paid for their work and helps you to avoid compliance issues related to wage and hour laws. And finally, Gusto offers comprehensive benefits administration services, including health insurance, retirement plans, and other employee benefits, which helps you attract and retain top talent by offering competitive benefits packages that are easy to manage and administer. Now, payroll processing is a critical function for any business, but it can be time-consuming and definitely complex. Gusto's payroll processing service is designed to simplify the process and save the business's time and money, which is the main reason that I use Gusto for my businesses, as its payroll processing is really simple and helps me save time and lots of money. So Gusto allows you to choose your own payroll schedule. It can be weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or any other frequency that works best for your business. Employees can be paid by direct deposit or by check, and you can choose whether to print checks yourself or have Gusto handle the printing and mailing. This flexibility makes it really easy for businesses to choose the payment options that work best for them and their employees. Additionally, accuracy and compliance with tax laws and regulations are crucial when it comes to payroll processing, and Gusto takes this responsibility seriously. Gusto uses advanced technology and automation to ensure that payroll is processed accurately and in compliance with all tax laws and regulations. They also handle all of the necessary tax filings and payments, including federal, state, and local taxes. Additionally, Gusto offers you detailed payroll reports, making it easy to track payroll expenses and ensure compliance with labor laws. And in my own experience using Gusto, they help me in filing my own taxes without any problems, despite the fact that I'm the type of person who doesn't know how to handle taxes properly on my own. Now, Gusto's time tracking feature is a great tool for businesses to accurately track their employees' hours. This feature allows employees to log their hours worked on a daily basis, and employers can easily review and approve these hours before processing payroll. This helps to ensure that employees are paid accurately and on time, and also helps to prevent errors or discrepancies in the payroll process. Additionally, the time tracking feature integrates seamlessly with Gusto's payroll processing system. Once hours are approved, they can be automatically added to the payroll and factored into employee paychecks, which simplifies the payroll process for small businesses, as there's no need for manual calculations or data entry. Also, Gusto's time tracking feature offers a range of customization options, including the ability to set overtime rules, track sick and vacation time, and generate reports on employee hours worked. This makes it easier for you to manage your employees' time and ensures compliance with labor laws and regulations. Gusto not only offers payroll processing and time tracking services, but they also offer employee benefits administration, helping you attract and retain employees with competitive benefits packages. Gusto helps businesses manage their employee benefits such as health insurance, 401k retirement plans, and other benefits packages. And so with Gusto, you can easily set up and manage benefits, add or remove employees from plans, and handle all of the necessary paperwork, and you can also attract and retain top talent. Additionally, Gusto can handle all the necessary administrative tasks associated with benefits, such as enrollment, plan setup, and ongoing maintenance. Gusto's easy-to-use platform allows employees to access their benefits information and manage their benefits online, saving time and reducing administrative work for businesses. Now, Gusto has a straightforward pricing model that charges a base fee per month plus an additional fee per employee. The base fee includes access to Gusto's full suite of services such as payroll processing, time tracking, and benefits administration. One thing that I personally really appreciated about Gusto was their transparent pricing. They didn't have any hidden fees or surprises, and their pricing was easy to understand. And so if you'd like to give Gusto a try, feel free to use the coupon code that I've linked in the description down below to help you save some extra money with your next startup. Now, when it comes to their customer support, Gusto has a variety of options available. They offer phone and email support during business hours, as well as a help center with articles and FAQs to help answer common questions. Gusto also has a community forum where customers can connect with each other and share tips and advice. While Gusto offers many benefits and features for businesses, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. One of the main drawbacks is that Gusto may not be suitable for larger businesses with more complex payroll needs. While Gusto can handle payroll processing for businesses of all sizes, it may not be the best fit for business with more than 100 employees or with multiple locations. Another potential drawback is the lack of customizability in certain areas, such as time tracking and benefits administration. While Gusto offers a range of features in these areas, some businesses may prefer more flexibility to tailor its features to their specific needs. Finally, Gusto offers some integrations with other software and tools, but it may not integrate with all the tools that a business uses, which can make it more difficult to streamline processes and workflows. Now, who would I recommend Gusto to? So far, with my experience with Gusto, the payroll processing has been incredibly simple and really straightforward. I really loved how easy it was to set up and manage employee pay and benefits, and the integration with time tracking makes it all a breeze. I also really appreciated the level of accuracy and compliance that they offer. I know that all the necessary tax filings and payments are taken care of, and I don't have to worry about missing anything really important. Plus, the customer support team has been fantastic whenever I have had any questions or issues. And so Gusto is the best payroll and HR solution for small to medium-sized businesses looking for an easy-to-use and affordable option. It can be especially beneficial for businesses that want to streamline their payroll processes, manage employee benefits, and track time and attendance. Gusto is also a good fit for businesses that value excellent customer support and want to ensure compliance with all tax laws and regulations. All in all, Gusto is a highly reputable and user-friendly payroll service provider that offers a range of features and services, including online payroll processing, time tracking, and employee benefits administration. And despite some drawbacks, their pricing model is transparent and affordable, and their customer support options are comprehensive, making it a top choice for your business. And so that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, feel free to leave a like. Let me know if you have any questions in the description down below, and subscribe because I've got a lot more payroll reviews on the way. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.